Unit 14, Unit 14, Part 2, page 2. I have an equation, write the following shifts. So if I have a equation in standard form, I'm going to change it into y-intercept form. And so 3y equals 2x minus 9, plus 9 minus 2x. Oh, get my signs right eventually. Y equals negative 2/3 x plus 3. So I'm actually going to use this. Shift down, y equals negative 2/3 x plus 3 minus 4. So your final answer is y equals negative 2/3 x minus 1. So that's your final answer for the first one. I'm adding 1 to here for a shift up. So it's y equals negative 2/3 x plus 4. Shift right. Y equals negative 2/3 x minus 5 for the right, plus 3 because it stays there. Shift left, y equals negative 2/3 x plus 7 plus 3. Do not simplify that. Do not distribute. Don't do anything with it. Leave it like that. Okay. ABC Taxi Company charges that for a trip. The Acme charges that for the same trip. Write an expression that describes how much more charges. ABC charges than taxi, so how much more is subtract. So it's 5x plus 4.50, and I'm going to subtract 4x, and I'm going to write it like that because I'm subtracting the whole thing. And I subtract the money, and that's $3, and I subtract, so it's x plus the $3. Write an equation in the line passing through that. Slope of that, there's the y-intercept, y equals negative 2x plus 7. Graph the line that has a slope, a y-intercept of 4, 2, 3, 4, slope of negative 1/3. And we are reviewing back to basics. Miss Jones has 3 bags of candy for every 50 students. If there are 850 students and 10 bags of candy already have been bought for the school, how many more bags of candy? So I'm going to find out how many I need. I'm going to multiply and solve. 50x equals 3 times 850. X equals 51. I already bought 10, so I need to buy 41 more bags. So this is how many I need for the 850, but I already bought 10, so it goes here. That is Unit 14, Review, Part 2, page 2.